We'll guide you through how to fix the system UI error on Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying as it makes it unable to go and use your phone. You go and see there is a wait button there. You can try pressing that, but often you're going to find it's going to come back, or you may even find that it's just stuck on the system UI pop-up, which can make it pretty much impossible to use your phone. So we've got a fix you can go and try. Make sure it's this full video. Without any further ado, let's get started. Go and press wait if you want to, but it doesn't matter too much. What we're going to do is a forced restart. So you can come onto the side of your phone and find the volume down button and the power button, and you want to go and hold these down together like so. What you need to do is go and keep these held down. Shortly, your phone screen is going to go black, and you can go and keep them held down until you go and see the phone starting again, like this. And at that point, you can release and now wait. The phone should restart. When it starts, unlock your phone, and hopefully now the problem is solved and you can go and use your phone as normal.